Boo! 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 Hey guys, this is Britt Chris 118, and it's almost Halloween! Anyway, like I said, happy early Halloween. Hope you guys liked that. You didn't? You didn't? Oh. Anywho, Nelly here.
Mr. Worldwide, T-Pain. El que no oye consejo no llega viejo. So listen up, let it go. La 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 la. If the girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. La 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 la. If the girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. La 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 la. If the girl wanna play.
Yeah, that's how a pro does it. Anyway, I'm doing pretty much a special for all of you because, I mean, this is my first year being on YouTube, my first year of doing a Halloween special. Yeah, I was thinking of making a movie, which I'm going to be making tomorrow. So, I don't know. I just... Guys, what are you guys going to be for Halloween? I decided to be a nerd. I couldn't really think of anything. So yeah, comment below or make a video response on what you're going to be for Halloween.